Logan, what do you have? What do you have, Logan? I'm so glad I went and got you Build-A-Bears today. You guys really like the bag it came in, huh? I guess I should have gotten 2 bags, huh? Nutballs.